Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to buy meme coins on your Phantom wallet. So open up your Phantom wallet and you will see this as your home screen. The first thing you'll have to do is go to swap right here. This is where you will buy your meme coins basically. So first you must have Solana in your wallet, and here in the top right corner is your slippage settings. You want to set that to auto if you don't know what you're doing basically. Confirm. From here, you will have your Sol balance. You should have Sol at the first place. You must deposit Sol. So if you don't have any Sol, the only thing you'll have to do first is press receive right here, and then go here in your Solana address. So you can scan this QR code basically, so you can send the Solana address, or you can copy this and paste it into the deposit account or the withdrawal account that you're sending it to, or sending it into, I mean. So right here, the first thing you have to do again, swap. From there, you wanna pick your token. So there are a lot of tokens right here, or you can enter the token address. So by going to Dex Screener or Pump Fund, you can do so. So here, all you have to do is grab the contact address, say 2025 right here, go back, and then paste that right here, and now you can swap it out. So you can pay 1 sol for a swap of 2025, and you'll receive a certain amount, and there's going to be a slippage tolerance right here, depends on the chart and all, and everything else. There's a factor on how you swap it. So basically that's how it does it. So there you go, that's how you basically buy meme coins on your Phantom wallet. It will show up right here in your home screen as shown, and it's gonna just show the token right there, and it can depreciate or appreciate in value. So this is not financial advice, only a guide. So that's how you buy meme coins on your Phantom wallet. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.